Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to transfer data between your PlayStation 4 and PS5 using the cloud. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So you're trying to transfer save data or games to your PlayStation 5 from your PlayStation 4. Well, this is very easy using the cloud on your PlayStation account. So on the PlayStation 4, if we go to settings and select this, and then scroll on down until we see application save data management and select this option, then go to save data in system storage, and then go to upload to online storage and select this option. Now this is only available if you have PlayStation Plus. If you do not have PlayStation Plus, you can still get the games, but you won't be able to upload your cloud storage. So once we are on the screen, go to options, then go to select multiple applications, and then just select all, and then go to upload. Now I have 97 gigabytes of free space available, so you can upload a lot of content on here. Now let's switch over to my PlayStation 5, and I'll show you how to download the games and save data. So on our PlayStation 5 now, let's go to settings and select this option, then scroll on down under this list until we get to save data in game app settings and select this. Then go to your PlayStation 4 save data and then go to cloud storage. Now go to download to console storage right here, and everything we just uploaded should be under here, and go to select all and then download it to your PlayStation 5. So once you have this downloaded to your PlayStation 5, all your profiles in those specific games and all the saves should now be on your console. Now if we go back, we can download the games very easily now. So if we go to game library right here, and then at the top, go to your collection and scroll down under this list, we can download any of the games that are linked to your profile. Now, if you have the disc version of the game, simply just put it in. It'll start the download, but it's very easy to re-download your game. So as Splitgate right here, let's go to it. And it says play game. I already have it downloaded. All I have to do is choose this and then re-download it back to my PlayStation. I'll be good to go. And I have 375 games in my collection that I have acquired throughout my PlayStation history. It's very easy to accumulate this and re-download it onto your PlayStation. Once it's done downloading, it'll appear on the main screen right here, Destruction All-Stars, and you can view the progress by pressing the PlayStation button, going to downloads, and you can see it right at the top there. It is in queue, so I can go to it and start the download and start copying right away. So it's very easy to use the cloud on the PlayStation to transfer your data between PS4 and PlayStation 5. If you are using the same profile, this should be easy. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.